This is the book that explains why storytelling is so important to people and organizations. My name is Klaus Sommer Paulsen, and I'm the author of Integrated Storytelling by Design. Quite a few years of having worked with storytelling in different ways and taught storytelling in different ways have really led up to this point. So I'm very excited to see the book coming out now. If you really think of yourself as someone who wants to work in immersive storytelling, you need to read this book. Beyond the academic use and the academic thinking, Integrated Storytelling by Design really combines theory and practice. You'll find these little from theory to practice bits in the book. So it helps you go from thought to action and actually unlock new possibilities and explore those new lands of new ways of storytelling, narratives, story experiences. It really is the key to not only consider how to do these things, but to get started actually creating new narrative dimensions. One of the most important concepts is that of the audience role and the audience modality. How are they influenced by the outside world? What context do they find themselves in? And how much do we want to actually allow them to have the freedom to influence what the story is actually going to be about? I have had the pleasure of working on an experience room for a museum, pirates from the Middle Ages, that has a lot of different modalities and a lot of different ways of experience the story and the history within just 50 square meters. On a larger scale, we also see new things coming up, such as the immersive worlds of Star Wars in the Disney theme parks. That really allows people to enter the storyline, become part of the storyline, so the whole border between visitor and cast member really gets blurred. Integrated Storytelling by Design was published on the 7th of July 2021. It was a little surreal, really, seeing how it showed up on Routledge online shop, on Amazon, and so on. And it really started to sink in that this project that began a few years ago has now come to this point where it's not done, but now it certainly has this visual manifestation, this physical manifestation as a printed book, which is great. It's still sinking in, honestly. So the first one that I knew of that got a copy is a very, very talented guy from Walt Disney Imagineering in Hong Kong, who sent me a picture of the book. I said, I got the book. And I am very thrilled and excited to see that the book is out there now. And more than that, it's actually getting used for creating some really interesting and cool stuff. I think everybody who creates something is looking for that, what do you think? The first note I got was from a PhD student who was working with this new ways of storytelling. She had read the book very quickly, and now she moved forward, re-energized with her PhD, which I think is absolutely, absolutely marvelous. I think that the book will play a role in the future of storytelling by being picked up by people who then will use it in different ways and sometimes in ways I cannot imagine. And I'm very excited to see what comes out of it.